Hello everyone, I'm Janet, Product Manager from IoT Smart Manufacturing team. As last time's introduction, I believe that everyone has gained an insight into our real-time locating and tracking solution, ARTEMIS. So today I would like to share a medical case study of ARTEMIS. For the medical case study, I will separate it into two different fields to let you get into our solutions. One is physical examination center and another is hospital. Physical examination center is a case of using ARTEMIS solution, which stays in Taipei City in Taiwan. With the rise of people's health awareness, arranging health screening in medical examination center is common in modern society. And the subsequent impact is to make the health examination industry flourish. With more and more competitors in the market, in addition to basic checkup items, how to segment the market to attract customers has become extremely important for every medical examination center. This physical center aims to offer an innovative technology, thoughtful service, and personalized experience, which is based on high-quality equipment and intensive experience in comprehensive preventive health management. It provides a precise, efficient, warm, sincere, and personalized health management experience for customers. However, while the customer is increasing, they face the problem that their manpower is gradually insufficient, and the cost of management is rising. After implementing the ARTEMIS solution in the center, they were glad to see that ARTEMIS can solve their problem. Moreover, meet their aim of innovative technology. The first problem faced by the center is the inability to real-time locate the customers. Usually, one nurse must manage multiple customers. However, when the number of customers increases, customers will be scattered in various locations in the center. Nurses cannot grasp the location of multiple customers at the same time. They must spend more time and face more pressure. ARTEMIS provides the real-time track and trace abilities. They can help the nurse to locate the target customers in time and check the location on the panel PC with a flat map. For managing the tracking object, every customer will receive a tag after checking for the scheduling healthcare checkup, so the tag can represent the customers in our platform. Also, the name and the type of each tag can be altered. The nurse can real-time check the target's name on the map. Also, it avoids the spending time checking the name and looking at the target. Historical check and tracing analysis apply when the center's manager likes to improve the process of examination. They usually rely on the manager's intuition and experience to judge. However, this is not a very effective method. We believe that non-database statistics and collections are always unable to achieve the best benefit. ARTEMIS systems offers an interface for the user to review the historical trace for every tag. It allows users to see the route more clearly and helps the user to judge where is the hotspot. It can avoid customers crowding in the process and increase the speed and efficiency of the process. And the last problem they face is that the center is difficult to integrate other systems. And the healthcare schedule system is the significant function to help the center more efficiency. However, when the center wants to introduce new independent systems immediately, switching will be very troublesome and inefficient. These issues mean that the system needs to be integrated. It needs an interface to convert the scheduling system. So, it is one of the reasons that why the center chooses ARTEMIS. Because we offer API integration, which can easily integrate with the existing systems. Overall, it reduced the troublesome and the time on switching the system. Now, let's switch to another field, hospital. Hospital is another case of use ARTEMIS solution, which also stays in Taipei City and Kaohsiung City in Taiwan. These two hospitals are both built with the government policy. It provides people with a good healthcare environment and satisfies social responsibility. However, all the world are struggling in COVID-19, and the hospital have faced a shortage of medical staff. In a case that it's not possible to increase the number of personnel in a short time. So the only way is to solve the pressure of the staff and increase the efficiency of the work. And ARTEMIS helps the hospital to achieve this goal. Let's take a look at an application using in the hospital. Workplace violence in emergency is a common medical problem in various hospitals. It often takes a long time for workplace violence to be stopped, which puts medical staff at risk. The tech of ARTEMIS indoor location solution has one button that can send a signal to the system for a real-time notifying manager. Moreover, this solution can via API to integrate with other systems. For example, it can integrate with CCTV when an emergency occurs. The manager can real-time view on-site conditions. It can also provide video to operators to assist at sites, review, and record the events that happened. On the other hand, medical equipment is an important asset of the hospital. Sometimes when staff is busy, the target asset is suddenly not found. It will increase the risk and the time spending. However, in a medical environment, time is the most precious. Often a few minutes of delay may be a loss of life. So reducing time waste will become significant demand. And ARTEMIS can provide real-time checking ability. Staff can easily and quickly locate the asset, such as hospitals' beds, nursing carts, operating tools, and emergency equipment. It can reduce the time on searching the object. Hospital usually has many compartments. In addition to being used as a ward, they also use as X-ray room, examination rooms, and operating theater. Many spaces are not open for random access, not only because they contain important assets, but also there are security concerns about random access. Geofence is the extending application about location system of ARTEMIS. It can freely segment the area on the system's map to make an area that requires authority to access. This setting can prevent unrelated people, such as suppliers or other patients, accessing the area, and prevent the important assets from leaving the restricted area. Also, hospitals' equipment is often expensive, and losing this property usually leads to a great losses. In addition, the system has the function of recording events. When an unauthorized person accesses or someone presses the notification button, the event will be stored, which is convenient for users to review the event. Besides the function of ARTEMIS, I introduced ARTEMIS with UWB wireless communication, also have the features of cybersecurity, which has attracted great concern of the society. Also, our solution is low interference. It means that it has a low impact on the human body. Unless it's high integration, it will help your industry apply in several scenarios. The world is now in the era of epidemics. With the surge in the medical pressure, how to reduce the medical costs and relieve the human resource has become significant. ARTEMIS can effectively help the medical field to reduce the management costs and the personnel pressure, and become the supporter behind the medical staff in the era of epidemics. Next, I would like to share a video that shows you the actual situation in the physical examination center. Avalue is not only a hardware provider, but also become an integrator of IoT solutions. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at this email address. Thank you for your time.